In this video, let's talk about how do Tesla Model Y wheel spacers work. Let's go. Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are aftermarket parts that are placed between the hub assembly and the wheels. The role of this part is to increase the distance from the wheels to the hub assembly. BONOSS Tesla Model Y wheel spacers come with lug nuts on each wheel stud for stuck wheel stud fixing. The alignment is through wheel stud and hub century. Then installing the match lug nuts, and then fixing Tesla Model Y wheel spacers through lug nuts on the hub assembly, thus achieving the position of the wheels to push outward without modifications. At the same price, BONOSS forged FT-cooling Tesla Model Y wheel spacers provide more useful advantages. It can dissipate brake heat better because BONOSS FT-cooling wheel spacers come with heat dissipation grooves, which allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat from the braking system. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.